Hello students, welcome to RG Studio. My name is Rahul, I am a teacher. In this video, I am going to give you information regarding sample paper for the preparation of entrance exam for Master of Public Health MPH. This video is very useful for various university and institutes Master of Public Health entrance exams like AIIMS Rishikesh, AIIMS Jodhpur, Common University Entrance Test, CUT PG, PGI MER Chandigarh, TISS Mumbai, JIPMER Pondicherry, IIPH, NIMHANS Bangalore, ICMR Bhubaneswar, Pune University, Lucknow University, Rajiv Gandhi Health University, and for all other university and institutes which conducts Master of Public Health, that is MPH entrance exams, and students who are preparing for various university and institutes Master of Public Health, Master of Hospital Administration, and other competitive exams. And for this, if they want to join online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF notes, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exams, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. So here first question is, MMR vaccine is recommended at the age of MMR, that is measles, mumps and rubella. So MMR vaccine is recommended at the age of option A 9 to 12 months, option B 15 to 18 months, option C 2 to 3 years, option D 10 to 19 years. Correct answer is option B, that is 15 to 18 months. So MMR vaccine, that is measles, mumps and rubella vaccine, is recommended at the age of, correct answer is 15 to 18 months, and its explanation is CDC, that is Center for Disease Control and Prevention. CDC recommends that people get MMR vaccine to protect against measles, mumps and rubella. Children should get 2 doses of MMR vaccine, starting with the first dose at 12 to 15 months of age and the second dose at 4 through 6 years of age. Next question, second, varicella zoster virus infection is more likely to occur in which of the following months? Option A March, option B August, option C October, option D November. Correct answer is option A March. So varicella zoster virus infection is more likely to occur in which of the following months? So correct answer is March. Its explanation is chickenpox or varicella is a contagious disease caused by the varicella zoster virus VZV. The virus is responsible for chickenpox. Usually primary infection is non-immune hosts and herpes zoster or shingles following reactivation of latent infection. Next question number 3. Chandler's index is option A number of eggs of hookworm in 100 gram soil, option B number of eggs of hookworm in per gram soil, option C number of eggs of hookworm in per gram stool, option D percentage of stool specimens positive for hookworms. Correct answer is option C, number of eggs of hookworm in per gram stool. So Chandler's index is, correct answer is number of eggs of hookworm in per gram stool. Next question is question number 4. What is microbiology? What is microbiology? Option A study of molecules that are visible to human eyes, option B study of animals and their family, option C study of organisms that are not visible to naked eyes, option D study of microscope. So correct answer is option C, study of organisms that are not visible to naked eyes. So question here is, what is microbiology? Correct answer is microbiology is the study of organisms that are not visible to naked eye. Its explanation is study of organisms that are not visible to naked eyes is known as microbiology. A special device known as microscope is required to view these organisms. Example, bacteria, viruses, fungi, etc. Next question number 5. Who is known as the father of microbiology? Who is known as the father of microbiology? Option A Edwin John Butler, option B Ferdinand Kohn, option C Robert Koch, option D Anthony van Leeuwenhoek. So correct answer is option D, Anthony van Leeuwenhoek. Question here is, who is known as the father of microbiology? So correct answer is Anthony van Leeuwenhoek. Anthony van Leeuwenhoek is known as the father of microbiology. Its explanation is Antony van Leeuwenhoek, a Delft cloth merchant, is considered the father of microbiology. He discovered the invisible world of microorganisms using homemade microscopes. Next question number 6. Which microorganism or microorganisms among the following perform photosynthesis by utilizing light? Option A, cyanobacteria, fungi and viruses. Option B, viruses. Option C, cyanobacteria. Option D, fungi. Correct answer is option C, cyanobacteria. So question here is which organism or organisms among the following perform photosynthesis by utilizing light? So its correct answer is option C, cyanobacteria. So cyanobacteria microorganism perform photosynthesis by utilizing light. Its explanation is cyanobacteria require light as a source of energy to perform photosynthesis. Fungi and viruses are unable to perform photosynthesis and are heterotrophic. Next question number 7. Which part of the compound microscope helps in gathering and focusing light rays on the specimen to be viewed? Which part of the compound microscope helps in gathering and focusing light rays on the specimen to be viewed? Option A, condenser lens. Option B, magnifying lens. Option C, objective lens. Option D, eyepiece lens. Correct answer is option A, condenser lens. So question here is which part of the compound microscope helps in gathering and focusing light rays on the specimen to be viewed? Correct answer is condenser lens. Its explanation is compound microscope contains 3 separate lens systems. The condenser lens is placed between the light source and the specimen, and it gathers and focuses the light rays in the plane of the microscopic field to view the specimen. Next question number 8. Which of the following are produced by microorganisms? Which of the following are produced by microorganisms? Option A, alcoholic beverages. Option B, fermented dairy products. Option C, breads. Option D, all of the mentioned. Correct answer is option D, all of the mentioned. So question here is which of the following are produced by microorganisms? So all the options are correct. That is alcoholic beverages, fermented dairy products, breads. These all are produced by microorganisms. Its explanation is microorganisms are used in many industries for the production of food we eat, like fermented dairy products, sour cream, yogurt, as well as fermented foods as pickles, breads and alcoholic beverages. Next question number 9. What is the approximate size of the bacterial cell? What is the approximate size of the bacterial cell? Option A, 1 millimeter in diameter. Option B, 0.5 to 1.0 micrometer in diameter. Option C, 2 millimeter in diameter. Option D, 2 micrometers in diameter. Correct answer is option B, 0.5 to 1.0 micrometer in diameter. So question is what is the approximate size of the bacterial cell? So correct answer is 0.5 to 1.0 micrometer in diameter. So approximate size of the bacterial cell is 0.5 to 1.0 micrometer in diameter. Its explanation is bacteria are very small, most being approximately 0.5 to 1.0 micrometer in diameter. This is the reason why they cannot be seen by naked eyes and can be observed under the microscope. Next question 10. The greatest resolution in light microscopy can be obtained with. The greatest resolution in light microscopy can be obtained with. Option A, shortest wavelength of visible light used. Option B, longest wavelength of visual light used. Option C, an objective with minimum numerical aperture. Option D, shortest wavelength of visual light used and an objective with the maximum numerical aperture. Correct answer is option D, that is shortest wavelength of visual light used and an objective with the maximum numerical aperture. So question is the greatest resolution in light microscopy can be obtained with? Correct answer is shortest wavelength of visual light used and an objective with the maximum numerical aperture. Its explanation is the relationship between numerical aperture Na and resolution is resolution d equal to wavelength upon 2 Na, that is numerical aperture. Thus maximum resolution is obtained with the shortest wavelength of visual light and an objective with the maximum numerical aperture. Next question number 11. Which of the following is used in electron microscope? Which of the following is used in electron microscope? Option A, electron beams and magnetic fields. Option B, light waves. Option C, magnetic fields. Option D, electron beams. Correct answer is option A, electron beams and magnetic fields. So question is, which of the following is used in electron microscope? So electron beams and magnetic fields is used in electron microscope. Its explanation is electron microscope uses electron beams and magnetic fields to produce the image, whereas the light microscope uses light waves and glass lenses. In electron microscopy, a much higher resolution is obtained with extremely short wavelength of the electron beam. Next question number 12. Which of the following study determine prevalence of diseases? Which of the following study determine prevalence of diseases? Option A, longitudinal study. Option B, case control study. Option C, cohort study. Option D, cross sectional study. Correct answer is option D, cross sectional study. So question is, which of the following study determine prevalence of diseases? So cross sectional study determine prevalence of diseases. Its explanation is cross sectional study. Prevalence study aim to determine the prevalence of exposure and disease. Study method, the prevalence of disease and other variables. Example, Gracia risk factors are measured simultaneously at a particular point in time. That is a snapshot of the resolution of snapshot of the population. Next question number 13. NACO, NACO, NACO is an organism which deals with which of the following health concerns? So NACO is an organization which deals with which of the following health concerns? Option A, HIV/AIDS. Option B, Kala Azar. Option C, pneumonia. Option D, typhoid. Correct answer is option A, HIV/AIDS. So NACO, NACO is an organization which deals with HIV or AIDS health concerns. Its explanation is the National AIDS Control Organization NACO, established in 1992, is a division of India's Ministry of Health and Family Welfare that provides leadership to HIV or AIDS control program in India through 35 HIV or AIDS prevention and control societies, and is the nodal organization for formulation of policy and implementation of programs for prevention and control of HIV or AIDS in India. Next question 14. Nodal agency for annual health survey AHS in India is? Nodal agency for annual health survey AHS in India is option A, International Institute for Population Sciences IIPS. Option B, Office of the Registrar General and Census Commissioner of India. Option C, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Option D, Indian Council of Medical Research. So correct answer is option B, that is Office of the Registrar General and Census Commissioner of India. So here question is, nodal agency for annual health survey AHS in India is? So correct answer is Office of the Registrar General and Census Commissioner of India. Its explanation is, India's annual health survey AHS is the first survey initiative to provide district level fertility and mortality statistics by annual panel in 9 of high focus states. These include all 8 of the Empowered Action Group EAG states and Assam. Next question number 15. Which of the following deaths are included in computation of neonatal mortality rate? Which of the following deaths are included in computation of neonatal mortality rate. Option A, total that's after 28 weeks. Option B, that's in the first week after birth. Option C, that's in the first month after birth. Option D, that's in the 1 to 11 months after birth. Correct answer is option C, that's in the first month after birth. So question is, which of the following that's are included in computation of neonatal mortality rate? So correct answer is that's in the first month after birth. Its explanation is the first 28 days of life. The neonatal period is the most vulnerable time for a child's survival. Children face the highest risk of dying in their first month of life at an average global rate of 17 deaths per 1,000 live births in 2019, down by 52% from 38 deaths per 1,000 in 1990. Question 16. Which of the following is not an institutional mechanism of National Rural Health Mission (NRHM)? Which of the following is not an institutional mechanism of National Rural Health Mission (NRHM)? Option A, Village Health and Sanitation Committee. Option B, Rogi Kalyan Samiti. Option C, State Health Mission. Option D, Mahila Mandal. Correct answer is option D, Mahila Mandal. So question A is, which of the following is not an institutional mechanism of National Rural Health Mission? Correct answer is Mahila Mandal. Mahila Mandal is not an institutional mechanism of National Rural Health Mission (NRHM) and Village Health and Sanitation Committee, Rogi Kalyan Samiti, State Health Mission. These all are institutional mechanism of National Rural Health Mission. Next question, its explanation is National Rural Health Mission institutional mechanism, Village Health and Sanitation Committee at village level consisting of Panchayat representatives, ANM/MPV, that is multi-purpose worker, Anganwadi worker, teacher, ASA, community health volunteers, district health mission under the leadership of Jila Parishad with district health head as convener and all relevant departments, NGOs, private professionals, etc. represented on it. Next question number 17. Throughout mankind existence, population grow at a rate of dash per year. Throughout mankind existence, population grow at a rate of dash per year. Option A, 10%. Option B, 0.002%. Option C, 2%. Option D, 0.5%. Correct answer is option B, 0.002%. Throughout mankind existence, population grow at a rate of, correct answer is 0.002%. Its explanation is the human population grow at the slow rate of less than 0.002% a year for the first several million years of our existence. Since then, the average annual rate of human population has increased to an all-time high of 2.06% in 1970. At the base, number of people undergoing growth has increased. It has taken less and less. Next question 18. Which of the following services are not provided by the Anganwadi centers? Which of the following services are not provided by the Anganwadi centers? Option A, immunization and health checkups. Option B, treatment of minor illness and referral. Option C, growth monitoring and supplementary feeding. Option D, water and sanitation. Correct answer is option D, water and sanitation. So water and sanitation services are not provided by Anganwadi centers, and immunization and health checkups, treatment of minor illness and referral, growth monitoring and supplementary feeding, these all services are provided by Anganwadi centers. Its explanation is a typical Anganwadi center provides basic health care in a village. It is part of the Indian public health care system. Basic health care activities include contraceptive counseling and supply, nutrition, education and supplementation, as well as preschool activities. Next question number 19. Dash is a ratio of the non-working population under 15 years old and over 64 years old to the working age population. The dash is the ratio of non-working population under 15 years old and over 64 years old to the working age population. Option A, labor force participation rate. Option B, per capita population ratio. Option C, population transition. Option D, dependency ratio. Correct answer is option D, dependency ratio. So question is that the dash, that is the dependency ratio, is the non-working population under 15 years old and over 64 years old to the working age population. Its explanation is working population, those aged between 16 and 63. When the dependency ratio is higher, it indicates that the working population faces a greater burden supporting the dependent population. Thus, the focus behind the metric is separating the working class from the non-working class. Next question number 20. The sample registration system in India became operational in which among the following periods? The sample registration system in India became operational in which among the following periods? Option A, 1963 to 64. Option B, 1969 to 70. Option C, 1973 to 74. Option D, 1983 to 84. Correct answer is option B, 1969 to 70. So question is, the sample registration system in India became operational in which among the following periods? Correct answer is 1969 to 70. Its explanation is, the SRS, that is sample registration system in India, is based on a dual record system. The field investigation under sample registration system consists of continuous enumeration of births and deaths in a sample of villages or urban blocks by a resident part-time enumerator and an independent 6-monthly retrospective survey by a full-time supervisor. Next question 21. For the estimation of crude birth rate, the denominator is, for the estimation of crude birth rate, the denominator is option A, total population of the respective geographical area. Option B, total child population age 0 to 4. Option C, mid-year population of the respective calendar year. Option D, female population in reproductive age group in the respective calendar year. So correct answer is option C, that is mid-year population of the respective calendar year. Here question is, for the estimation of crude birth rate, the denominator is, correct answer is mid-year population of the respective calendar year. Its explanation is, the crude birth rate CBR for a given population is defined as the ratio of the number of live births in that population to the total size of the population scaled to a denominator of 1000. It is an example of a crude rate because we use the total population in the denominator. So in this video, sample paper for information for the preparation of entrance exam for Master of Public Health has been given. This video is very useful for various university and institutes Master of Public Health entrance exams like AIIMS, Jodhpur, Rishikesh, Raipur, CUET, PGI, MER, TISS, JIPMER, IIPH, NIMHANS, ICMR and Pune University, Lucknow University, and for all other university and institutes which conducts Master of Public Health, that is MPH entrance exams, and students who are preparing for various university and institutes Master of Public Health, Hospital Management and other competitive exams. And for this, if they want to join online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exam, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for important videos and get the information for various admissions and jobs. Thanks for watching this video.